So big question, why do I eat more when I sleep less? Let me ask it in a different way. Why is it when I do not get adequate sleep, I tend to eat more? Let's dive into it. Now, generally there are two major hormones that are produced by your body, and they're associated with hunger and fullness. Those are ghrelin and leptin. Now, ghrelin is basically the hunger hormone. It is what gets the brain, stimulates the brain to thinking that you are hungry. Leptin, on the other hand, it communicates to the brain and indicates to the brain that you are full. So together, these two hormones, ghrelin and leptin, they more or less either tell your brain that you are hungry, or they indicate to your brain that you are full. When you do not get adequate sleep, there's an imbalance of these two hormones. And as a result, more ghrelin is produced, so therefore you feel more hungrier. You feel hungrier, you go and get meals. Even when you do not need to eat, you feel hungry. And there's leptin, which less leptin will be produced, indicating to your brain that you are not full yet. And because of this imbalance, you're going to end up eating more meals. Eating more meals because you're feeling more hungry and less full. And this occurs because of the fact that you are not getting adequate sleep. If you constantly keep getting less and less sleep, or every day you actually do not satisfy the minimum requirements for sleep, you're going to realize very regularly that you are feeling hungry and you're going to try to satisfy that hunger. As a result, you're going to be consuming more calories, meals with more calories than you require. And you're going to end up realizing that you're going to be putting on a lot of excess weight as time progresses. So think about it for a moment. Have you been working harder? Have you been doing longer hours at work? Have you been spending more hours studying? And are you putting on a lot more extra weight? And if that is happening, it could very well be, link it back to now. If you are putting on more weight, have you been eating more? Have you been getting hungry more? And if that's the case, it could very well be because of that imbalance of ghrelin and leptin. One telling your body that you're hungry, and it's going to cause you to now go and eat more food to satisfy that hunger. And the other one, there's less of it being produced, so you don't feel as full. And that results in you just consuming more food than you actually need on a regular basis, and you're going to keep putting on weight. So it's very important to get adequate sleep. Young adults and children should receive between 7 to 9 hours per day sleep. That means every 24 hours a day, you should be getting 7 to 9 hours per day sleep. The only exception is newborns, who should get about 14. Let's say about 14 hours sleep per day. They need more sleep. So somewhere around 14 to, I think somewhere sort of 14 to 17 hours, but 14, they sleep a lot more than adults. And anytime you find yourself getting 1 hour sleep, 2 hours sleep, 3 hours sleep daily, you'll realize it doesn't only impact your day-to-day activities, but it also impacts your body. So, get adequate sleep, ensure you get sleep. It does impact your body. I hope this was very beneficial to you all, and I'll see you all on the next episode.